I've missed him, definitely. And having his energy there as somebody who's kind of
to create something completely new.
I like the boys and the girls who like boys, the boys like girls who like girls, as long as they get to watch.
That makes sense. And Tim, you won so many awards, like
That was a big thing for me, and then him asking me on tour. The voice is so full of power and gives you so much energy.
In my kitchen, in my I talk big beat, the boys cannot defy. When they running, they know they can't deny. The best cookie, I know they wanna fry. I'm that picture, I know that's right. I'm no snitch, deny. In my kitchen, in my
Yes, we were truly blown away by the incredible talent displayed by all of the nominees. Every artist showed up with such passion, delivery, beautiful sets. Watching them made it very clear how much all of the hard work that everybody put into it. The decision was far from easy, and as a jury, we found ourselves in rich conversations, feeling drawn to different artists for different regions. Some of the artists brought a grounded presence to the stage, delivering performances that were very immersive, and it felt like time stood still. The audience was completely captivated, hanging on to every single note. Other performers had the room buzzing with energy, the crowd dancing, and it allowed for everybody to explore the fun and the joy that music brings, given permission because of the incredible energy brought by all of these artists. We also saw artists who had finely tuned their... In the end, after much deliberation, we chose to award an artist who brought a magic blend of great songs, strong musicality, and a sense of community to the stage. Despite facing some technical challenges early in the set, but by the end of their show, the crowd was dancing and swaying and lost in a dreamy, ethereal soundscape. Our hope is that this award allows them to continue to evolve and share their sound with the world. The Anchor Reeperbahn Festival International Music Award 2024 goes to Strong Boy.